Hello and welcome back, fellow wanderers. If you have been following our journey, you have already dipped your toes in Queensland's famous golden beaches and sun kissed coasts. But today, we are treading crashing waves for rustling leaves and heading deep into ancient, enchanted rainforest. Did you know Australia is home to the oldest tropical rainforest on earth? Over 130 million years old. That's older than the Amazon and even the dinosaurs era. Our first rainforest retreat was Tambourine National Park, tucked away in the Gold Coast hinterland, about 80 kilometers south of Brisbane. A perfect day trip for nature lovers like us. Tambourine Mountain has a rich history. Thousands of years ago, it was home to the Wangaribura people, and its name from the Yugambeh language means wild lime, inspired by the native lime trees growing here. We wandered through the Peekabin Palm Grove, where towering trees whispered secrets of the past. The cool forest paths took us through 10 different forest types, home to over 900 species of plants. And let's just say, our camera couldn't keep up. Tambourine is dotted with glorious waterfalls, gorges, and lush canopies. It's Queensland's oldest national park, declared way back in 1908, and still feels untouched. An important tip from us: the trails are short, but be prepared. Found the paths quite slippery. So, wear proper shoes, carry insect repellent, and drinking water. And remember, camping is not allowed here. The forest is for walking, listening, and soaking in. The volcanic history of this place is literally carved into the landscape. Basalt columns, cliffs, and lava shaped outcrops are remnant of eruptions from 23 million years ago. Next, we ventured into the Gondwana Rainforest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, just a few hours' drive from Brisbane. Walking through here is like stepping into a forgotten world where trees have stood tall since before the age of dinosaurs. One of the crown jewels is Lamington National Park, nestled along the border of Queensland and New South Wales in the MacPherson Range. It is wild, green, and full of surprises, from ancient fig trees to hidden waterfalls. Don't miss Moran Falls, visible from the Python Rock Lookout, was simply magical. We stood there in silence, just listening to the cascade, a moment to treasure. Declared a national park in 1915, Lamington was named after Lord Lamington, a former Queensland governor. And yes, possibly the namesake of the famous cake, Lamington. Right next door is Springbrook National Park. And oh, what a sight! Purling Brook Falls tumbling down from the clouds look like a scene straight out of a fantasy film. Whether you are into gentle nature walks or full on treks, these parks have it all. We took it slow with light hikes, soaking in every breath of crisp rainforest air. Our last expedition was to Kuranda village, a quiet and beautiful village nestled in the mountains near Cairns. Kuranda National Park, where we started our journey on the historic Kuranda Scenic Railway. It was opened in 1891. This railway passes through green mountains, passes barren falls. What a sight to see! Kuranda National Park lies just 16 kilometers from Cairns, and it's part of the Wet Tropics World Heritage Area. Think towering eucalyptus forest, tropical birds, and rich Aboriginal culture. For the return leg, we soared above the treetops on the Skyrel Rainforest Cableway, floating high above the ancient jungle with the thundering barren falls beneath us. An unforgettable end to our rainforest adventure. Wrapping up from the sunny coast to mossy rainforest, volcanic cliffs to sky-high cable rides, Queensland has surprised us at every turn. But this is just the beginning. In our next video, we take you to Melbourne, Australia's most populous and vibrant city, packed with art, food, laneways, and characters. Surely you won't want to miss it. Thank you for joining us. We are the Wandering Pair, traveling the world one step at a time, even in our golden years. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you and maybe inspire your next adventure too. Till next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep wandering. Take care. Bye bye.